Today, I'm going to show you how to rotate a video 90 degrees in Shotcut without cropping it. This is especially useful if you recorded vertically on your phone and now need a proper horizontal version for YouTube or another platform. First, let's start with a tilted video. Open Shotcut and import your clip into the playlist. Then drag the video from the playlist down into the timeline so it becomes part of your project. Now go to the Filters panel and add the filter called Size, Position, and Rotate. In the rotation field, change the value to 90 degrees or 270 degrees, depending on which direction your video needs to turn. You'll immediately notice something. The video is cropped. Parts of the frame are cut off. This happens because the video was originally tilted inside the selected project format. The project format doesn't match the video orientation, and that's not what we want. So here's the correct method. Start a completely new project. Remove all files from the timeline and playlist to avoid confusion. Now, before importing anything, go to the top menu, click on Settings, then choose Video Mode. This is the important step. Here you need to select an existing video mode that matches your desired final output format. In my example, I want a horizontal result, so I choose 1920x 10x80 HD. Only after selecting the correct video mode should you import your vertical video into the playlist, then drag it to the timeline. You'll see that the video already looks cropped. That's correct, because the project format is horizontal, while the source video is vertical. This is exactly what we want. Now apply the same filter again, Size, Position, and Rotate. Set the rotation to 270 degrees in my example. The video will now be correctly oriented, but it will appear smaller inside the frame. To fix that, adjust the zoom value. In my case, converting vertical to horizontal requires setting zoom to approximately 177.7%, so the image fills the horizontal frame properly without distortion. Take a moment to preview the video and make sure everything looks centered and correct. Once everything looks good, go to File, then Export. Select Audio-Video, choose your preset if needed, and click Export File. The export process will take some time depending on the video length, resolution, and your computer speed. Once it's finished, open the file in your favorite video player and check that everything looks perfect.